This is the elevator, Macy's Women, Meadowood Mall, Reno, Nevada. So it's originally a Otis Lexan, modernized by Schindler, was HXpress. Elevator sign. Let's go down to 1. The elevator during 219's from this one. Like I said, this was originally an Otis. This elevator was installed in 1979. Here we go. Nice half displays to start. Let me wipe off the lens. There you go. Now I've wiped off the lens. Like I said, this was Otis Lexan. I'm going to show you proof here. Going up? Which floor? 2?
Yes, sir.
Let's check out the call station. See, this used to be an Otis elevator, as you can tell.
What's that?
This was formerly an Otis. Former Otis elevator. This used to be an Otis from 1979, modernized by Schindler. Very nice elevator, considering it's very nice for a Schindler. HTML resistant, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Capacity 3,500 pounds. Control panel. Let's go back down to 1.
Right. You have a nice day, bro.
You too. Door close button does not work. This was modernized probably 2015, 2016, but I'm gonna have to check it out. Like I said, very nice for a Schindler, especially considering this was an old Otis. Very smooth running. Runs very smooth today. Going up?
Yep.
This used to be an Otis. Let's look up the shaft. Otis zero lock.
Okay.
But
Press 2.
yeah, I gotta press this for you.
Okay, thank you.
Here's your State of Nevada inspection certificate. That fan, I don't like that fan.
It is loud, huh?
Very loud fan. For a Schindler, this is very nice. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Yes. Next door. There goes and that's it.